Alright, so this is how we set up our balloon rocket. First, we tie one end of our string to a table or chair, door, whatever's easiest. Then we take our other end of the string and we stick our straw on. So we thread the string right through the straw. Can be a little tricky. Like this. And we take our other end of the string and we tie it to our other chair, door, table, whatever you've decided on. Now, an important step, we have to make sure this string is nice and straight. So I'm going to push my chairs further away until our string is really nice, tight and straight. Then here comes the tricky part. We're going to get a piece of tape and lay it across the top of our straw. And we really want it not to stick to itself. Hang nicely without sticking to itself. And now we blow up our balloon. Okay, so we're going to point our balloon with the open end closest to our starting point. So we move our straw up here. We're going to open up our tape, stick our balloon on, and then 1, 2, 3, blast off! Across to the other side.